If you are stuck in Clash Royale and cannot improve your trophies or card levels anymore, then this is the video for you. So there will be just 3 tips and you would be doing quite better in Clash Royale. The first step is stay consistent instead of playing just once or twice a week for a complete day. Just spend 20 to 30 minutes a day and you would be doing quite great. In these 20 to 30 minutes, you have to just play 4 battles or 5 battles if you want to and get all the lucky drops of that particular day. And the second thing you should do is open up shop and check out the daily deals, and on the daily deals make sure to get all the cards, as you would be getting a good boost to your card levels using this daily deal. You would be able to spend gold and get these cards. Since you have gold in abundance, you would be able to use this gold and get these cards. The third thing should be to use your clan quite wisely. Join a clan, it helps a lot. And this was all about just being consistent. Now the second tip is play the same deck as much as possible. This way you would be able to master that particular deck and you would be able to play that particular deck in any particular situation that your enemy throws at you. So it's better to play the same deck rather than changing your deck every other day. And the deck that you are currently seeing, I have been playing this deck, almost the similar one, just 1 or 2 changes. Other than that, I have been using this deck for Arena 7, 8, 9 and 10, and I am using this in Arena 11 as well. And the only change I made was that instead of Dark Prince, earlier I used wizards, balloons and all sort of things, and I only make change in this Dark Prince and no changes other than that. And this way I am able to upgrade my cards and use my magic items accordingly, and this is a great way to use your magic items, and only use these magic items when you are near to level up. Also, if you are playing the same cards, then you would be able to get card masteries, and this way you would be earning more rewards. So this is how you would be progressing quite fast in Clash Royale. Also, you have to save the gems, and this way after saving a lot of gems, get the legendary chest. Don't go below this, get only legendary chest and save for it. It is quite worthy and deserved. If you want to test a new deck, instead of going for a battle, go with the training camp, and over there you can practice a new deck and then come back to the trophy hunting or any other battle. This way you won't be losing your trophies. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.